how to log in or create a Cash App account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log in or create a Cash App account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log in or create a Cash App account, all you have to do is first of all open up Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, you can see I'm not logged into my account. Now there are two ways on how you can most likely create an account. One is by either using your phone number and the other is by using your email. So if you want to use phone, tap on use phone. If you want to use email, tap on use email over here. And now all you have to do is simply go ahead and just make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use on Cash App. And if you've not yet created an account with this email before, it will prompt you to fill in all the payment details and everything else. So first I'll enter the email address, tap the next option. Now it is going to send a verification code for this number in order to log into my account because I have not yet set up a password. So what I will do is now I'll simply go ahead and simply check my mailbox over here to see if I've received any sort of email. I'm going to even refresh it a couple of times to just check whether or not I receive an email from Cash App. So here, as you can see, I have successfully received a Cash App email, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and then copy this code that you can see over here. Then I'm just going to come back over here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and then enter the code. Once I've done that, I'm going to tap the next option. If the code is basically correct, then on the next specific page, it's going to ask me to fill in my debit card details. If you do have, then you can enter them right away, or you can skip this process by tapping the skip button. Then it is going to ask you to verify your identity. If you want to, though, you can go ahead and even verify your identity if you'd like, but for now, again, I'm just going to skip that. And that's it on how you can go ahead and simply create a Cash App account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.